All right, guys, 2014 Dodge Ram 1500 5.7 liter Hemi. Got a nice lift kit on it. Factory converters there and there. Then it wires into a single there. He's been watching our videos and he said, I want this setup. So after watching a few of them, he said he wants this setup. So we hooked him up. CARVEN R's, there'll be a link in the description for it there. Then we had to add a Y pipe on it also, as you guys can see there. Then it's got two tailpipes coming out the back on each side. And then we did two resonator deletes right there and right there. And he brought his own tips also. They are Total Flows, part number 2191-P. There'll be a link in the description for them. They are a bolt-on system for the Dodge, as you guys can see there. So you can do it yourself actually if you want. You just loosen that clamp and install them. And that's what they look like, 5-inch tips. Came out really nice, really clean. So after we started doing the videos, all these companies started making 5-inch tip adapters and stuff for these trucks, which is cool. That's what we want to see. And if you guys don't know, we are located in Nashville, Tennessee. So if you're in the area, come by and say hi. And like always, guys, please make sure you like, comment, and hit that subscribe button. There's the two resonators that were on it, and the muffler is gone. I don't know where it went. Ah, so much better. Yeah, that CARVEN always sounds good on these. Your sound decibels? 113. Again? Pop to it.
Yeah, I was not expecting that.
Yeah.
I like that.
Hell yeah.
You'll hear that on the shifts.
Yeah. Oh, definitely when you get down on it.
Yeah.
It's got an idle too, a nice idle too.
Yeah, I like that. I'm probably gonna head out that way.
Okay. Ram Hemi, baby. It never disappoints. That sounds so good. Let you guys hear on the inside. Ram 1500 Hemi, CARVEN R, resonator delete, and 5-inch tips. Oh, yeah. That sounds amazing. It sounds like a fucking jet. Wow, awesome. Enjoy, guys. Hemi.